Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make tomato soup at home for weight loss only way. Start by gathering fresh tomatoes, low-sodium broth, onion, garlic, olive oil, and spices, and preheat a pot over medium heat. Sauté onion and garlic until translucent, add chopped tomatoes, simmer with broth, blend until smooth, then simmer to concentrate flavor. Season lightly and cool slightly before serving a controlled portion. Enjoy mindfully. Choosing the right ingredients makes tomato soup effective for weight loss and still satisfying. Use fresh tomatoes or canned no-salt tomatoes, low-sodium vegetable or chicken broth, and small amounts of olive oil for flavor. Replace cream with Greek yogurt or pureed cauliflower to keep creaminess without excess calories. Add fiber with blended vegetables and herbs for fullness. Portion control matters, so serve modest bowls and pair with a light salad for balance. Quick recommendation: if you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and see more healthy cooking tips. I also love the Oala water bottle for staying hydrated during meal prep and workouts. It keeps water cold and fits cup holders, making healthy routines easier. Check the description for the link and other deals. Enjoy the tip. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Start by heating 1 tablespoon of olive oil in a pot and sautéing 1 chopped onion and 2 cloves of garlic until fragrant. Add about 6 cups of chopped tomatoes and simmer with 2 cups of low-sodium broth for 20 to 30 minutes to concentrate flavors. Use an immersion or countertop blender until silky, then simmer briefly to reach desired thickness. Taste and adjust seasoning, then chill for meal prep portions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.